Our species has gazed at the stars for millennia. We have wondered if we are alone. We have yearned to explore beyond our pale blue dot. Now, Elon Musk and SpaceX are taking concrete steps to turn this age-old dream into reality with their ambitious Mars colonization project. This is not just about planting a flag on another planet. It's about safeguarding humanity's future. It's about ensuring our survival in the face of existential threats. By becoming a multi-planetary species, we increase our chances of survival in the vast cosmic arena. Musk's vision is bold and audacious. It involves establishing a permanent human presence on Mars. This will require overcoming numerous challenges, from developing reliable transportation to creating a sustainable habitat. However, the potential rewards are immense. Imagine a future where humans walk on another planet. Imagine cities under a reddish sky. Imagine the discoveries that await us on this alien world. The journey won't be easy, but the destination is nothing short of awe-inspiring. The pursuit of Mars is a testament to the indomitable spirit of exploration. It's a reminder that we are capable of achieving extraordinary things when we set our minds to it. The journey to Mars is a journey into the unknown, but it is a journey that we must undertake if we are to secure a future for ourselves among the stars. At the heart of Musk's Mars project lies a technological marvel, the Starship and its super heavy booster. This fully reusable transportation system is designed to ferry humans and cargo to Mars and beyond. Imagine a spacecraft capable of carrying 100 people and 100 tons of cargo. That's the ambitious goal of Starship, a behemoth designed to be the workhorse of interplanetary travel. Starship is no ordinary rocket, it's a sleek stainless steel spacecraft designed for reusability. This reusability is key to making space travel more affordable and accessible. The Super Heavy booster, the muscle behind Starship, is equally impressive. It's designed to lift Starship into orbit, then return to Earth for a controlled landing. This eliminates the need for expensive single-use rockets. The technical specifications of Starship and Super Heavy are mind-boggling. Starship, standing tall at 164 feet, will be powered by 6 Raptor engines. These engines are designed for both atmospheric and vacuum flight, enabling Starship to travel between planets. The Super Heavy booster, even larger at 230 feet, will boast a staggering 33 Raptor engines, generating an unprecedented amount of thrust. The journey to Mars is not as simple as pointing a spacecraft and hitting the gas. It involves a complex series of maneuvers, carefully choreographed to ensure a safe and efficient trip. SpaceX envisions a Mars transport architecture that leverages orbital refueling and innovative infrastructure. This approach minimizes the fuel needed for each journey, making Mars missions more feasible. The first step involves launching Starship into Earth orbit atop the Super Heavy booster. Once in orbit, Starship will be refueled by a series of tanker Starships launched from Earth. This orbital refueling is crucial, as it allows Starship to depart for Mars with a full tank. Without orbital refueling, the spacecraft would need to carry all its fuel from the start, making the mission significantly more challenging. After refueling, Starship will embark on its months-long journey to Mars. Upon arrival, it will use its heat shield and engines to perform a controlled landing on the Martian surface. This landing is a critical step as it allows for the safe delivery of humans and cargo. The journey culminates with Starship landing on Mars, ready to deploy its cargo and begin the next chapter of human exploration. This complex ballet of launches, maneuvers and landings highlights the intricate planning and execution required for interplanetary travel. Landing on Mars is only the first step. Establishing a permanent human presence requires creating a sustainable habitat. This is where Mars Base Alpha comes in. Envisioned as the first human settlement on Mars, it will serve as a hub for scientific research, exploration, and the eventual expansion of human civilization beyond Earth. Mars Base Alpha will need to be self-sufficient. It will rely on advanced life support systems to provide breathable air, clean water, and a comfortable living environment for its inhabitants. The base will likely consist of interconnected modules, offering protection from the harsh Martian environment. These modules will house living quarters, laboratories, workshops, and other essential facilities. Food production will be a top priority. Greenhouses will be essential for cultivating crops, providing a sustainable food source for the inhabitants. Power generation will likely involve a combination of solar panels and potentially other energy sources, ensuring a reliable power supply for the base's operations. Mars Base Alpha represents the first tentative step towards a permanent human presence on Mars, a beacon of human ingenuity on a distant planet. Section 5. Living off the land, ISRU, on Mars. Transporting resources from Earth to Mars is a costly and inefficient endeavor. To establish a sustainable presence on Mars, we need to utilize the resources available on the planet itself. This is where in situ resource utilization, or ISRU, comes into play. ISRU focuses on leveraging Martian resources to support human life and activities. One of the most important resources on Mars is water ice. It can be found in the polar ice caps and beneath the surface. This water ice can be extracted and purified for drinking, agriculture, and even for generating rocket fuel. The Martian atmosphere, though thin, contains carbon dioxide, which can be used to create breathable oxygen and even fertilizer for plants. The Martian soil, while not ideal, can be enriched and used for growing crops. By developing innovative agricultural techniques, we can potentially cultivate a wide range of plants on Mars. ISRU is not just about survival, it's about sustainability. It's about minimizing our reliance on Earth and becoming a truly spacefaring civilization. Section 6. Terraforming Mars, a distant dream. While challenging, establishing a base on Mars might be the easier part. Transforming the entire planet into a habitable world is a whole different ballgame. This concept, known as terraforming, captures the imagination. Imagine a future where Mars is no longer a cold, arid desert, but a lush, Earth-like planet with flowing rivers and breathable air. Terraforming Mars would involve a multi-stage process, each more ambitious than the last. It might start with releasing greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, thickening it and trapping more heat from the sun. This could potentially warm the planet and melt the polar ice caps, releasing more water and carbon dioxide. However, the feasibility of terraforming Mars remains a subject of much debate. Some argue that it's technologically impossible with our current capabilities. Others believe it would take centuries, if not millennia, to achieve. The ethical implications of terraforming are also significant. Should we alter another planet to suit our needs, even if it means potentially disrupting any existing life? Terraforming Mars, while a compelling idea, is a long-term prospect with numerous scientific, technological, and ethical considerations. Section 7. Building a new world economy and governance on Mars. As humans establish a permanent presence on Mars, a new society will emerge, one with its own unique economy and governance. The Martian economy will likely revolve around resource extraction, manufacturing, and innovation, mining valuable minerals, producing resources locally, and developing new technologies will be crucial for the colony's growth and self-sufficiency. Trade with Earth will also play a role, at least initially. Exporting rare minerals or scientific discoveries from Mars could provide valuable resources or revenue. As the Martian colony matures, its governance structure will need to evolve. Initially, it might be governed by Earth-based organizations or space agencies. However, as the colony grows, it's likely that Martians will demand more autonomy. This could lead to the development of new forms of governance tailored to the unique challenges and opportunities of living on another planet. The Martian economy and governance will be shaped by the need for self-reliance, innovation, and a strong sense of community. Section 8. The Martian Challenge, Human Resilience in Focus. Living on Mars will be the ultimate test of human resilience. Astronauts will face numerous physical and psychological challenges. The Martian environment is harsh and unforgiving. The thin atmosphere offers little protection from radiation. The lack of a global magnetic field further exacerbates this issue. The lower gravity on Mars, about 38% of Earth's, could have long-term effects on human health, potentially leading to muscle and bone loss. Isolation and confinement in a confined environment far from Earth could take a toll on mental health. Addressing these challenges is crucial for the success of any Mars mission. SpaceX and other space agencies are actively researching ways to mitigate these risks, developing advanced spacesuits, radiation shielding, and countermeasures for the effects of reduced gravity are areas of active research. Equally important is preparing astronauts psychologically for the challenges of living on Mars. This includes developing coping mechanisms for stress, isolation, and homesickness. The success of Musk's Mars project hinges not just on technological advancements, but also on our understanding and support of the human element. Section 9. A multi-planetary future, humanity's next giant leap. Elon Musk's ultimate goal extends beyond simply reaching Mars. He envisions a future where humanity becomes a multi-planetary species, capable of inhabiting and thriving on multiple worlds. This vision is not just about escaping a dying Earth, it's about embracing the vast potential of the cosmos. Becoming multi-planetary is about ensuring the long-term survival of our species. It's about diversifying our portfolio, so to speak, and not keeping all our eggs in one basket. By establishing a presence on another planet, we increase our chances of survival in the face of existential threats, whether they be natural disasters, pandemics, or even asteroid impacts. This expansion into space is not just a scientific endeavor, it's a cultural one. It's about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, exploration, and ingenuity. It's about inspiring future generations to dream big and to reach for the stars. Becoming a multi-planetary species is a bold vision, but it's one that resonates deeply with our innate desire to explore, to discover, and to leave our mark on the universe. Section 10. Overcoming the odds, funding, and technology. While the vision is inspiring, the path to achieving Musk's Mars ambition is paved with significant financial and technological hurdles. Developing and launching Starship, building a self-sustaining base on Mars, and ensuring the well-being of the inhabitants will require an astronomical amount of funding. SpaceX is tackling this challenge through innovation and cost reduction strategies. Reusability is a key component of their approach, as it significantly lowers the cost of space travel. Additionally, SpaceX is actively seeking partnerships with government agencies and private investors to secure the necessary funding. Beyond funding, numerous technological challenges need to be addressed. Developing life support systems capable of operating reliably in the harsh Martian environment is crucial. Creating robust communication systems to bridge the vast distance between Earth and Mars is another hurdle. Additionally, advancing our understanding of human physiology and psychology in space is essential for ensuring the health and well-being of Martian inhabitants. Despite these challenges, the progress made by SpaceX and other spacefaring entities gives us hope. With continued innovation, collaboration, and a steadfast commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible, we just might witness humanity's next giant leap, becoming a multiplanetary species.